Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix slow buffering of videos in Windows 11. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your control panel, for which you can simply just go on the search icon that you can see right here and simply type control panel on the search bar right here. So after you've typed that down, here you will be able to see the option of open. Simply click on it and now your control panel will open. And right now here you must see something like this. If you can't see something like this, you can simply just go to this view by option right here. And right now here you can see we are on the category. So simply just click on it. And if you are on something else, you can simply just click on category in order to open this kind of settings. So now what you're going to do is click on the network and internet. So after clicking on Network and Internet, now click on Network and Sharing Center. So after doing so, here you can see the option of Internet right here. And under the Internet, you can see the connection that you are currently connected to your Wi-Fi. Simply click on this. And then now click on Properties. So after clicking on properties here, you can see this will pop up and you have to click on the IV4 option that you can see right here, Network Protocol version 4. Click on this and then go to the properties of it. So after clicking on properties, now you have to change the DNS server. Here now click on use the following DNS server address right here. We're going to write 8.8.8 on the first box. And after you write that, now in the alternate DNS server, you have to write down 8.8.4.4. So after doing all of that, what you're going to do is click on OK. So after you've done that, you can close all of these tabs. And after closing all of those tabs, now you have to go to your browser settings. So simply just open your browser. And on your browser, what you're going to do is click on the three-dot icon that you can see right here. And in here, now scroll down and click on settings right here. And now this will open your settings of your browser. And in here on the left side, you can see the option of privacy and security right here. Click on it. And then in here, you can see the option of delete browsing data. Click on this. And now here you will be able to see the option of time range right here. You can click on this and select all time. So after you've done that, click on delete data. Now this will delete all of your browsing data of your browser. And now again, close this tab. So now you have to restart your computer by simply just going on your Windows icon right here and clicking on this power button and then clicking on restart. And this will restart your PC and fix your problem. I'm pretty sure that after restarting your PC, your problem will be fixed. If it did, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.